YouTube, what's happening with y'all, baby? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Yeezy, back at you again. I know y'all can see the sleep in my eye. Early, cold Saturday morning. Man, one of my homeboys called me and told me to come downtown Columbia, come to APB. Y'all know APB is like a tier 0 sneaker store, like social status. But he called me, he was like, man, I'm out here lined up for these Yeezys, so you need to come on down here. But anyway, there were 3 colorways releasing this morning. Over here in North America, we got the Yeezy V2 350 Earth. The pictures and the colors look a little different, so I want to see it with my own 2 eyes before before I go ahead and decide to buy it. I know there was a Flax colorway and the tailgate colorway. Not too sure which countries got those. I don't want to mix it up for y'all. But anyway, if you are new over here, make sure you Hulk smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on the road to 3K. My goal is to hit 3K by the end of the summer, and I will not be able to do that without you guys' help. So make sure y'all Hulk smash that subscribe button for your boy. Like this thing, share this thing, and hey man, other than that, let's go ahead and blast off and pick these shoes up if I decide to get them. So meet my homeboys and let's go. What's up, man? What's up, man? That's a good sub compact gun. What's going on? Cool. Best sub ever, bro. Boys got signed at the door. The release of the Yeezy 350 V2 Earth will be released first come, first served. However, there will be no overnight camping out for the shoot. The earliest that you can line up will be 8 a.m. If you are in line before that time set, we will run the cameras and you will lose your placement in line. Thank you, management. Well, it's only like 3 or 4 of us in line, so I don't think these had a whole bunch of hype behind them. But I guess we gonna see how many pairs they got. Hopefully they got a 12. I won't feel no type of way if I don't get the sneaker. I just took my L on the Shy 3s on the sneakers app, so it is what it is, man. He doing his job, man. We out here though, man.
Where's your car at, bro? Where's your car at?
I ain't got no papers for y'all to sign to be on YouTube.
I'll follow you after this.
Sure you
Get your badge number.
25262, bro.
25262.
Sounds good.
Let them know, man.
Hey, bro.
It's a 9.5, bro. Man, some shoes.
I know.
Fresh.
Hey,
Oh yeah, I ain't pulled mine out the box yet. It's still dead stock.
It's not that serious, brother.
Yeah, it's all serious to you, bro. If you're doing this kind of work.
No, I ain't selling it. I can't sell them.
25262. What's your first name?
David.
David Castro?
It seemed like the roles reversed right here.
Hey, I don't need to tell my parents anything.
The roles reversed. He questioning you. Like, what's up?
You got it, man.
Big shout out to APB. My first ever little hit from APB. And I'm surprised. And boy, these things looking good. Ooh. They got that peanut butter look to them. I like that. So yeah, let's get to the crib and do this review right Alright guys, APB for the win. Showed y'all this in the car. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. Me personally, I feel like Yeezys are starting to get a little played out with the colorways though. Like I think they need to just do how they did with the V3s. these Zales just bring out newer models, I think they need to be done with the 350s. Even though this was a good 350 colorway in my opinion, kind of remind me of the Oxford Tans. I don't know if y'all remember those, but I think Yeezys just need to do away with the 350s for now, man, because to me they starting to get played out. But like I said earlier, I did have to pick up a 12.5. I don't know why they didn't have any 12s at APB, but I saw on Champs that they didn't have any size 12s as well on the website. Whew. These, I don't know, I like them, but I don't love them. But I'm not gonna sell them. I had somebody hit me up earlier asking me if I was gonna sell them. Nope, these are not for sale. This is a personal pair. I am gonna keep these. I do like these. Now the pictures that we got early on, it was kind of a darker brown, kind of like a mocha color. They were way darker than what they were. My homeboy Ricardo, who was out there with me, he even said they kind of, to him it looked like it was olive. And I told him, I'm like, man, when we get here, when we get inside the store, if they end up being an olive color, I'm just gonna not buy them. I'll probably just buy them and resell them, you know. I didn't even want to waste my time with it. But I do like these. I know a lot of people said peanut butter. I said Oxford Tan. That's what they put me in the mind frame of. But I think it's more almond butter, if anything. I don't know if y'all eat almond butter. I don't eat peanut butter. I eat almond butter. But that's what it kind of puts me in the mind of. But with the Yeezy detail, you already know what you got. If you've seen one 350, you've seen them all just in different colors. And this one did have a pull tab. I know the Yeezy 350s, like the Yeshayas and the Yeechills or whatever, they didn't have a pull tab on it. Me personally, I prefer Yeezys, you know, with the pull tab. I like the pull tab for some reason. I know the Desert Sages that are coming out, they don't have a pull tab on them, but I do like the Desert Sages though. I do like those, so I may end up going after those when they come out. But you already know with the boost technology. Now, what kind of threw me off a little bit was the yellow part on the outsole. That kind of threw me for a loop because I was looking at all my other Yeezys and I was like, dang, you know, they ain't put a different color on them things. But as far as like the boost goes, we got the yellow on the outsole of these things, man. But overall, it's a dope sneaker. You know, like I said, you seen one 350, you seen them all. I feel like it's kind of getting played out a little bit. I'm not sure how limited these were. Obviously, they didn't have any hype around it because there were only like 3 or 4 of us at the APB line. So I know Finish Line didn't get them. Maybe they were limited because no place in the mall here in Columbia got them. But like I said, overall, I like the sneaker. I definitely have a few things in mind that I'm going to pull off with it as far as outfits. I've seen everybody doing camo bottoms with it. Me personally, I'll probably do camo bottoms, but I won't do it as much as everybody else is doing them, man. But I do like these. Like I said, this is definitely gonna be one kept in my collection for a personal pair. I can't wait to style this sneaker. That's what I'm starting to get more into with you guys. I want to show you guys how to style sneakers as well, not just overall basketball stuff, you know, what y'all get from me. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these, and let's get ready for On Foot. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed that on foot. Man, I appreciate y'all for coming through. Remember, the goal for the summer is 3K. I need 3K subscribers by the end of the summer. So if you're new over here, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. All my day ones, y'all know the drill. Make sure y'all share this thing. Spread the word. Hey man, GOAT trying to get to 3K by the end of the summer. All right, and also in the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. And did you cop or not? If you didn't cop these, were you able to cop the other two pairs that came out in the different countries? All right. But anyway, it's all love. Bring your friendly neighborhood, and I do mean your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT Yeezy. Sending my exit as always. It's never gonna change. But anyway, I'm always sending y'all love, peace, and put some chicken grease on that thing, baby. Gone.